Do you want to install background apps and process list app on Fire Stick? Then you are at the right place. Here is how to get the app on your Amazon Fire Stick. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. How to install background apps and process list. The background apps and process list app allows you to see all the apps running on your device, force close those running in the background, decide which apps open at startup, and change your device's interface layout. Using this app offers several benefits. It saves power, reduces your device's temperature, saves RAM, reduces CPU usage, and speeds up your device. This makes it a valuable tool for optimizing the performance of your Fire Stick. Now here is the process to get the app. On your Fire Stick home screen, select Find, then Search. Type background apps and process list and select it when it appears in the search list. You can also use the Alexa button to find the specific app. Click on the background apps and process list app tile under the apps and games section. Tap Get or Download and wait for the app to download to your device. Once the app is installed, press Open to start using it. Now you should get the option to open the app on boot. You can choose that if you want the app to automatically open while booting your device. You can also select preferences to enable quick shortcuts. Once done, you should have the background apps and process list app installed and ready to use on your Fire Stick. This app will help optimize your device, making it faster and more efficient. And there you have it, the method to install background apps and process list app on Fire Stick. We hope the method has worked for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know which solution solved your problem. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.